we're going to do today, Mr. Lion? Okay. So, Mr. Lion is telling that we should do directions.
So let's start.
Yes?
Okay. So we are going to do some activities today on directions. So this is the way we made it. It's on the whiteboard. So let's start, Abeer.
Yes.
Okay, Abeer. It's a maze. So Abeer gonna tell us the directions while opening it. Okay, Abeer?
Okay.
Okay.
So this is right. Okay. So I have to go here. Now this is again right. Again it's up. So it's left and right. Yes, we can either go here or there.
Okay.
I will go to here.
What is that direction? Right or left?
Right.
Okay.
Going to right. Down. Down you will see.
Yeah, we see.
Okay. So it's again right. It's again up. Okay, you saw it? Up, up. And right. Now let's try.
Abeer reached, huh?
Yes, let's try one more time because I want to actually go here.
Okay.
I don't know how
Do
long
it
this
quickly,
takes.
okay?
It will take long. I don't know how much long it is. That's why.
So you did it. How it was, Abeer?
Good.
So now you know the directions. So let's start another activity.
We are going to use the directions in our next video. So I hope you understand the video.
Yes. So just learn the directions properly because we are going to use directions in our next videos. So let's do our next activity,
Yes.
Abeer. So the next is, I just made the arrows and I use this bottle caps, milk bottle caps and dot stickers, and I just made the arrows on that. So Abeer, what he has to do is, he just see these papers, okay, and put the caps accordingly. So let's start, Abeer.
Yes.
Are you ready? Okay. Okay. So while putting the directions, tell the direction as well, okay? Which direction it is. Okay.
Down.
Okay.
Left.
Correct.
Right.
Good.
And front.
Yeah, front or up.
Yes.
Good. Turn the page. This is the another activity for the directions. So let's do another activity, Abeer.
Yes.
Are you ready?
I'll show my drum.
Nice music. So let's do another activity. Another is a similar kind of activity. but I used it in a one page, small slip of the page, and I put the directions like this. So let's start. And he has to put it, arrange it.
What to do?
Just arrange it the way it is.
This is right
Correct.
and left,
Mhm.
and this is up,
Good.
and this is back.
Not back, down.
Down.
Yeah. Take another page. Another slip. Just keep it down somewhere.
Here.
Okay. Wait, let me remove it.
Back.
Not back, down. We're talking about forward, the up, down,
Up.
left, right.
Up and down the same.
Yeah, back and forward is also correct.
Yes.
Okay, down or back.
And right and left
Okay,
and up.
correct. Superb, Abeer. Okay, let's do another activity.
Yes.
The next one is just with the caps. I will give one direction to Abeer and he has to tell me which direction it's pointing, okay?
It is left,
Good,
up,
good,
right,
good.
and forward.
What else we can see for forward?
Up.
Correct. Now let me change it. Tell from here.
This is up,
Okay.
up, and this is down, and this is left.
Super
See
awesome.
this?
Okay. So this is very simple activity. It's real fun. We already did it with Abeer. Lots of time. So let's do the next activity.
Yeah.
I know he didn't do that activity before. This is something new for him too. So let's start.
Yes. Snap off machine gun. This is very simple.
Is it so?
Yeah.
I think it is very tricky.
Do it. Then I can do it. For me it's easy, but you think it's tricky for me.
I think it's tricky for you. So let's see. In this, let's make it a little tricky. How?
How?
You have to read it. Can you try?
Reading the real. And
Okay, wait. Let me show the viewers first. Give me the page. I just put some left, right, front, back like this, and I cut it from the sides.
yeah.
So he just, I'll ask him to read, but if the child cannot read it, you just read for the child so that he will do it. Okay, Abeer, are you ready?
Yes.
But for Abeer, I want him to
Read.
read. Okay, can you
But
try
I'm
it?
bigger.
Yeah, can you try?
For the left.
Good. I'll read this one for you. Can you try? R.
The
Front. Correct.
front.
Left front. Hold it. Is this your left hand? Yeah, correct. Left hand. Okay, let's check it. It's okay, it's okay, it's
Let's
okay.
post it
Yeah, okay.
like a seahorse.
Next, read. You can't read, I think. This is right back. Which is the right side?
I already know
Okay, fold it.
this and do the back side. Here you go, bunny. Right?
Right, left, front. What do you call this one? Overlapping.
Yes.
Good, Abeer.
We wrapped it against one.
Yeah. Show me. So this is how he do.
That's what I was telling you. It was easy. Nothing. That's what I was telling you.
Yeah. And this one just show. That's how he did. That's great, Abeer.
Awesome.
So let's do our last activity of this video.
You know why I did this? Because this was about to get tricky, so I want to leave the easy ones.
Was it tricky, Abeer?
Yes?
How?
By reading nicely. When we read nicely, we have to concentrate and we have to know, we have to think, what is this like? Wait. Left. Like that.
Oh, you mean sounds?
The left.
Yeah, it's a
Yes.
little bit tricky.
have
You need to
make
think.
in the brain which sound is coming.
Exactly. So soon we are going to do confusing letters, and after that we'll start the word families.
Yes.
Okay, so let's do the
Yes.
last activity of this
Yes.
video. Are you ready, Abeer?
Yes.
Okay. Wait, let me show them.
You could like that.
Okay. So I just made this one on a A4 sheet, and I have just some insects cutouts with me. We just have to place a face using this arrows. Let's start, Abeer. Da-da-da. You did it. Great, Abeer. You did it.
Yay! That was simple.
Yeah. Let me show them.
Did you see that what happened by his neck? Mobile was about to fall and Mama catched it finally. It was about to break from the glass table.
Okay. So here is the end of the video. I hope you all enjoy it, and I hope you all like our video, our activities. So learn the directions because we are going to use it in our next videos.
And can I play one more time to jump?
Sure.
Boom!
Good. So say bye bye, Abeer. Thank you.
Bye!